Hello everyone and welcome back to another Art for Kids Sunday. Today we're going to be drawing the Pokemon JigglyPuff. So let's get started. I've got my Kurotoga mechanical pencil for sketching. The colors I've got today are pink and black for the outlines, and then Jigglypuff's eyes are going to be blue. And I've got since we had such luck last time, I've got the zebra white paint pen to do maybe some shine in the eyes or something like that. And then we got our Mount Fuji eraser just in case we make a mistake. So without further ado, let me put this to the side and let's get started. So to start off on Jigglypuff, we're going to make a circle right in the center of our paper. If you would like, you could use some kind of cup or something that would help you to make a perfect circle. So I'm just going to try to freehand it in today. So just about like that's good. Okay, and I'm going to give myself some guides because he's going to be looking kind of to the side a little bit. So I'm going to make a line kind of slanted, and the other one's going to cut through about right there. That's good enough. Okay, so let's put his eyes in next. So let's go another oval maybe shape here. About like that's good. And the other one's going to be right here towards your center line. And try to make those about the same size if you can. All right, that's good. Next thing we're going to do is put in his little curl he's got going on here on the top of his head. So kind of circle like that, and this make a little spiral down here. Actually, I think I'm going to come down a little bit farther. I'm going to come down close to his eye and then bring it up to about like that. Okay, and then this right here is going to connect back up like that. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, the next thing we want to do is put in his ears. So let's do an ear here. That's good. And then we're going to do another one. Want it to come out about right here. And they look about even. Yeah, I think so. All right, we're looking good. Let's go ahead and put in his details in his eyes. So we're going to have this come around like that. So it's kind of be like another oval in an oval. And then the little circle right there is going to be the shine. That's what we're going to use our white zebra ink pen for, maybe. Okay, and then this one here. Maybe like that. I'm going to have to do some erasing here to define my lines better. That's good enough. Okay, next thing we want to do is let's move in with maybe the detail in the ear. So we're going to have another triangle in here, just about like that. And then the same thing on this side. So about like that. Okay, what can we do now? Let's do his arms. So we're going to have kind of like this little triangle shape coming outside. And then his other one is going to come about right there. Okay, maybe make this one a little bit bigger. All right, good enough. Now let's put in his smile. Maybe like that. Okay, and then some feet. So this foot's going to come out kind of just like the hand, but a little bit bigger. One foot right there, and let's put another one. Maybe right there. And I think that's going to be our sketch. So let's clean up some of these lines. We can take this center line out now. And then where the legs and the arms intersect, we can take those out. And this one going across, we don't need him anymore. And let's see, which, I think that's going down a little bit too far. So let's bring that up to about right there. And then for the eye, I need this to be a little bit more defined so I'll know where to color this in at. I think like that's good. Okay, this one's pretty good already. All right, so let me erase. What if I'm going to have that body coming down in front of the foot? Maybe that foot's going to be behind the body. And actually, we can do this one too. We'll just have that line. But the hand, though, we'll want that to break up. This hand's going to be behind the body, so we're going to leave it like that. Could probably clean it up a little bit. That's good. And then this cross mark to the body. Take that out. And let me see on this curl. Clean that up a little bit. Okay, and for the ears, I think I'm going to keep that line in front of them. Have the ears coming off the back. That's good, and then we can just go ahead and connect this curl. And I think that's going to do it. So let's get into the coloring process now. All right, so this eye, I accidentally didn't add that back in. Okay. All right, so I guess we're going to go ahead and do the pink first. And this is the part where I'm probably going to speed the video up because, as always, you guys don't need to see me coloring in every inch of this. So if you want to pause the video while you color yours in, go ahead and do that. But this video is going to be sped up. Okay, we got our pink done. Let's go ahead and put the blue of his eyes in next. So we're going to leave this outer piece white right here and right there. And just the inner portion here, we're going to make blue. And if you'd like, you can just color right over that circle. We're going to make the highlight too, because we're going to go over that with a paint marker. If you don't have a paint marker, then you can just choose not to color that part in. Okay, there's his eyes. All right, let's get the black done now. So we're going to use this for the highlight. Also going to use this for the inside of the ears. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then you can kind of darken the outside of that. And like that. Okay, let's do this one. Here we go. All right, now we can just go ahead and finish the outline. Okay, and then a hand over here. And then a foot. Do this hand here. This foot. Okay, let's do the ears up here. And then over here. I like when you do the outline at the end, you can just see it all come together. And then his eyes. And then the blue. Separate that blue from the white. Like that. And then his cute little smile. Okay, and let's see if we can get our paint marker in here now and see if we can get this shine in the eyes done. I kind of push down on it to get the ink started or the paint started. Yeah, I'm having good luck with this paint pen recently. And if you want, you can put a tinier one down here. Okay, and that is going to be our completed project, Jigglypuff. One of the Pokemon, he always gives me Kirby vibes. He looked kind of like Kirby. So that's going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. You can hit the little bell icon so you'll get a notification of when I upload new videos. But basically my schedule is Sunday is Art for Kids Sunday, where we use traditional materials. On Friday, we have a Procreate tutorial, so digital art. And then every other day after that, we do shorts. So thanks a lot, and thanks for supporting the channel, and we'll see you next time.